to know about the first nation in the world to go in the orbit of Mars on its first attempt? Watch this video to find out more about it. Mars Orbiter Mission, also known as MOM, was launched into space by the Indian Space Research Organization on November 3, 2013. MOM has been orbiting Mars since September 24, 2014. This is the first time a nation has successfully, on the first attempt, made it in the Martian orbit. The Indian Mars probe is named Mangalyaan. It is being monitored by the Spacecraft Control Center at ISRO, also known as the Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO is the fourth agency to reach Mars after the Soviet space program, NASA, and the European Space Agency. This is what I think about this. I am Ishaan. I am 9 years old. I am an American Indian, and I was really excited that India had made it into the Martian orbit. I visit India every summer. Mostly I limit my trip to Mumbai and New Delhi. I see a lot of poverty, illiteracy, and hot weather there. Out of all the places in the world, I had no clue that India would make it into the Martian orbit. I am so proud and inspired. I find it really cool and amazing that India beat China in the race to Mars. The project only costs 11% of NASA's Mars mission. It costs less than the movie Gravity. It was launched in Andhra Pradesh. Mangalyaan weighs about 1,350 kilograms. These are the people behind the mission. Dr. K. Radhakrishnan is ISRO's chairman. He led the whole project. Dr. M. Annadurai is a scientist with the Indian Space Research Organization. Mr. S. Arunan is the project director of MOM. P. Robert is the program director. Dr. V. Kesvaraju is the post-launch mission director. Here are some cool facts about Mangalyaan. Mangalyaan was originally built to be able to gauge the resources required for planning, managing technology, and operations of an interplanetary missions. But now with its success, it will also be able to look for any forms of life on Mars. The Indian Space Research Organization is the primary space agency for India. It has made history since inception 44 years ago, 1970. The Mars mission was the cheapest Mars mission to date, even though it cost 450 crores or $73 million. The Mars craft traveled 650 million kilometers from Earth. If calculated, the cost comes up to 6.7 rupees per kilometer. This turns out to be cheaper than a regular rickshaw or cab ride in the city. I hope you learned a lot about Mangalyaan.